In this video, I will show you how to deactivate WordPress plugins using phpMyAdmin database management tool. But before we proceed with the steps I will show you in this video, please make sure to have a full backup copy of your website, including database. So once it's done, log into your hosting account and then log into the phpMyAdmin area. Then look for the database which is associated with your WordPress installation. In my case, it's wp_test_db, but in your case, it's going to be something different. Then expand it. Then in the search type options, and then look for the wp_options table. Then open the table. Then let's make sure the number of rows is set to 50. And then scroll a bit down until we find the active plugins option name. Then let's click on edit. And what we want to do right now is to delete all the text in the option value field. This. As you can see, it says A:20. 20 stands for number of active plugins. Let me check with my dashboard. Yeah, I have 20 plugins installed and active on my WordPress website. So let's go ahead and delete what's in here and then replace it with the following: lowercase a, :0, left curly braces and right curly braces. Make sure there are no spaces. And then once that's done, click go. This right now will deactivate all the plugins on the website. So once I refresh my dashboard, you'll notice that all plugins are now inactive. Now I can go ahead and just activate them individually, just like this. So I hope you found this tip useful. If for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.